Hi, my name is Tony. This is the Desta Group, and I was wondering, how can I assist you
Yeah,
today?
first of
Wait, why you coughing like that? Wait, you had all that going on, and you came here? And you think about, let me just take my ass to the ER?
Well, I went to the
Oh, they turned you
took
around,
me back.
and you still came here, like, at all places.
I don't feel good.
Oh, wait, no, stay right there.
Get up.
Don't even, no, stay right there. Don't get up. Stay right there. Hold on a second. If you get up, I'll knock you down.
I'll sit down.
Sit your ass down.
I think I'm
Hold on a
sweating.
second. We got stuff for this. We come prepared.
Good.
You keep that cough, we'll kick your ass out.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Stay right there.
Is this even necessary?
Get your fever.
Like,
yeah, this is necessary. I ain't trying to get
you
sick.
say it's necessary. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I'm
right,
sweating. I don't feel good.
You got a fever, you need to
I
go.
don't feel
Like,
good.
man, you could have stayed home. Like, really? Trying to get other people sick. Go, bye. Everybody's cold red. Cold red, cold blue, orange, white, yellow, all that. Spraying Lysol down everything. I ain't about to get sick of it now.